full moon. March 16th, 2022. Lots of activity in the sky. Little duckies. Cool. Sun's getting ready to set. And this evening at sunset is Purim. And St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. Beautiful. Wow. Well, I'm gonna go check out the sunset. All of creation is in expectation and full of wonder.